your girl Miss Nick and welcome back to my channel. I am back with another tutorial for you guys. So this video is a DIY tutorial on how to revive your old wigs, and it's something you can actually do yourself. You could actually fix your old wigs yourself without having to take it to a stylist, a professional or something like that. If you would love to see how to revive your old wigs and turn it something looking much better than it was or it's used to look like, then keep watching. So this is the wig I'm gonna be working with today, and looking at this wig, guys, this is so much work. For one, it stinks badly, and two, it's all tangled up, the tips are dried out, and it's just a whole lot of work. Okay, so we're gonna be fixing this right now. First of all, you would want to detangle every knot. So I'm just going to be brushing. Wow. Okay, I'm going to be filling my sink right now with water. I'm using my stopper so that the water doesn't flow out. I need the water to be stagnant right now. And I'm using anti-breakage. This is the shampoo and this is the conditioner. You don't have to use Tresemme. These products came highly recommended by a friend of mine, and since I started using it, I've had no regrets whatsoever. You have other preferable products you love to use, then it's good still. The most important thing is you use a good shampoo. There's so much dirt coming out of this right now. Oh god, my wig is so dirty. Oof. So what I'll be doing is I'll focus on my lace closure, the net of my lace closure. I'm going to focus on it by scrubbing inside the nets, because this is where the sweat, the dirt, the hair products gets to, and so I really need to get the foundation out of it. So I'll scrub gently, not too hard, so it doesn't rip the net off. I also focus on my cap, the inner part of my wig cap, because that's where all the dirt sits in all day long. So I'm just going to go in and gently. The keyword is to do it gently so that you don't tangle up your wig. So once I'm done with the first wash, I'm going to go in to wash the second time. This product really smells nice, like, okay. And the surprising thing about it is it's really thick, so you don't need to use much of it, just a little drop and you have the whole thing foamy. So you just want to take it up so it doesn't tangle up. So now I'm just going to be rinsing out my hair. You want to use enough water to rinse out. I've removed the stopper, rinse thoroughly. So when I'm done with that, I use my conditioner. Guys, look at this. This is how thick conditioner is. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply that to the hair. At this point, I'll just go in and comb the hair so that the conditioner can work its way through the hair. So I'll just leave it to sit for a couple of minutes. So now it's time for me to rinse it out. So I'm just gonna open the tap and let the water run through the hair. I don't want my hair to tangle up again, so I'll still go in and brush it all out. while I let out my conditioner. Okay, so it's going off. My wig is actually coming back to life. So we're done with this right now. I like to put my hair on my mannequin stand so that it sits to dry. It's all fixed right now, so I'm just going to go in and apply my oil. I'll share everything I used on the info section below, so you don't have to worry about that. I like to leave it to sit with the hair so it dries out together with the hair. For my tip, they're actually really dried out, and I still really need to work on it. I'm gonna leave my wig to dry up. I really prefer air drying the hair. Take a good look at this wig. This is 1 hour after air drying. It's still wet, but I couldn't wait to show you the outcome of it. Just look at it. We definitely succeeded in revamping this old weave and turning it into something better than it was before. And so this is it. You can see the shine is there already because of what we applied to it. After we're done washing, we're gonna leave it for 2 hours. Today's tutorial. I hope you learned 1 or 2 from today's tutorial. I remain your girl, Miss Nick. Please don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything, because you see, I'm going to be giving you lots of videos. You wouldn't want to miss out on anything, trust me. You can follow me on Instagram at miss_nickwigs. If you would like to see me do any tutorial at all, if you have any special request on a tutorial you would like to see, just drop a comment at the comment section and I'll be sure to get it done for you. So that will be all for today. Bye for now. Every single